Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Welcome our new viewers, and to our returning viewers, welcome back. Today's recipe, we're going to make some Cajun chicken pasta. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. First, I'm going to season my chicken breast. You want to ensure that your chicken breast is well washed with your vinegar or lime juice. For seasoning, I'm just going to be using only 3 ingredients: salt, paprika, and some Maggi all-purpose season. You want to distribute the season on both sides of the chicken breast. Once that is done, we're just going to tenderize the chicken. After seasoning and tenderizing the chicken breast, I'm going to fry on both sides until it is golden brown. I love my chicken well done. So for the pasta, we're going to add some salt and vegetable oil. I'm adding the vegetable oil to prevent the pasta from sticking to the pot, right? Afterwards, I'm going to add the penne pasta. If you want to add your elbow or your bow tie pasta, you could go ahead and add the pasta of your choice. Then we're going to cook the pasta until it is done. Once the pasta is cooked, you're just going to drain the water from the pasta and cover the pot. You don't want to leave the pasta sitting in the water after it is cooked, because we don't want a soft and saggy pasta. Okay, so for the Cajun style chicken, I like to season, well season my pastas. So here I'm using some diced onions and some diced sweet peppers. I also went ahead and add just a little bit of diced tomato. Afterwards, I'm going to saute the vegetables to extract those flavors from it. Last but not least, I'm going to add some crushed garlic to get that nice burst of flavors from garlic, because in the nose of garlic after going to food. Then I'm going to go in with my heavy cream, and then I'll also add some shredded Parmesan cheese. We're going to mix all those ingredients together, add our Cajun seasoning. We're also going to add some Maggi all-purpose season, and then we're going to mix to get everything fully combined. And then we went ahead and add our shredded Parmesan cheese. We're just going to mix that together to get the Parmesan cheese melted and all that flavor fully incorporated. So after making this delicious sauce, it's now time to add the pasta. So we're going to dump the pasta into this delicious sauce. Look at that. Very delicious, well seasoned pasta. So you're just going to add all the pasta to the sauce and ensure that the pastas are fully coated, right? So we're going to distribute all that sauce over our pasta, right? Once it's all coated, we're just going to get our chicken in. So you're going to chop your chicken up and you pop it right in there, and you just combine everything, get everything fully coated with that sauce, and you're all done. So we're just going to add some parsley flakes. Then we're going to pop our chicken in, distribute everything, toss everything together, and then we're going to plate and taste our pasta. Look at that, guys. Very delicious and mouth-watering Cajun style chicken pasta. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, to like the video, subscribe if you're new and enjoying this video, and comment below and let us know if you're enjoying the videos and what other videos you'd like us to make. Look at that, guys. Very delicious, mouth-watering tasty, and most of all, this is a super easy recipe to make. If you have tried this recipe, please come back and give a comment and let us know how you liked it. Guys, you know so we have to taste and see what I want, so head on over there while we taste. Mango and guava. And we're going to try out the pasta. It's very flavorful. Very delicious. Very flavorful. It's very flavorful. Full of a lot of flavor.